Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to swatch and review the beautiful glittery polishes that I got when I was in Tokyo, Japan back in November. These are from Space Beauty Planet Nail. I think the brand itself is called Planet Nail and Space Beauty is more of like an additional name to the brand. I'm not quite sure. Please correct me if I'm wrong. If you know how these are like perfectly pronounced, let me know. I think it's like Space Beauty Planet Nail. Maybe it's Planet Nail Space Beauty. I have no idea. But I got these from a Don Quixote store. I think it was in Akihabara, but it could have been in Shinjuku as well. I really can't remember. But I am going to swatch all of these beautiful polishes. As you can see, I got 6 and these were about 600 yen each. But of course, there are always some additional taxes. But because we had a specific amount of money that we were going to spend in that Don Quixote, we could actually go to a specific register and we didn't have to pay any additional taxes, so that was pretty cool. So 600 yen is a little less than 6 euros. I just did that for myself just to say like 100 yen is like a euro, so I actually knew what I was spending. But let's say these were like 550 or something like that in euros, so they are a little bit more on the pricier side, a little bit more pricey than drugstore I'd say, but they really are gorgeous. So that first one is like a reddish pink jelly polish with a lot of beautiful glitter in there, all reds and also some tiny hearts, but you will see that once I have applied the second layer. The second polish that I got is like a gold and rose gold mixed sized glitter polish. This one is so stunning. I wish I had used this in one of my winter nail art week videos. But of course, there's always Christmas this year as well. And of course, you can use these polishes all year round. You don't have to just use them during holiday seasons or anything like that. I just think this is a really nice, like clear based glitter polish. The bigger glitters are sometimes a little bit more difficult to place, but you will definitely find your way in that while working with them. Then the third one I got is a little bit of like a light pink jelly base with some really cute glitter in there as well. Again, very multi-sized glitters in there, mostly just round or like with these 6 little edges. I don't know how you say that in English, but yeah, it's really cute. A little bit like multicolored as well. So you have like those lighter greenish gold glitters, you have some really nice like opaque white glitters in there. It's just the whole shebang. It's really cute. I really love applying this on top of a white polish because I think that these smaller glitters, or more of like the shimmery glitter, stands out most like that, but you can just top it off on like any color you want. Then this next one is again a clear base, but these have, or this one contains a ton of beautiful bigger glitters as well as some smaller glitter as well, but I feel like the bigger glitters are like really packed in here. Again, it can be a little bit hard to work with those. If you want like a super opaque effect, just go in with these polishes on top of a makeup sponge or something like that. You can really pack them on like that, or of course you can just use a dotting tool or even a toothpick to just place the glitters from the brush wherever you want to put them on the nail. So yeah, that is actually like one technique you can do. I just like to just move them around a little bit with the brush that actually comes with the bottle, but it's totally up to you. This polish I think is most beautiful on top of a dark purple, because on a white the colors tend to like flatten down a little bit, get a little bit dull, and yeah, I just really like my colors to be more opaque. Same thing goes for this polish. This is more of like the same kind as we just swatched, but more into a blue toned like glittery madness. Again, different shapes and sizes of glitter, different colors as well. So you have like your really light blue, your medium blue, and a little bit of like a purplish blue glitter in here. But there's also some little like holographic glitter in this one, which I really like. It are more of like the smaller glitters that are holographic, but I think it really gives a beautiful space like galaxy effect if you apply this on top of a dark blue or a black. Just for this video, I'm swatching it all on a part of one of my nail wheels. These have like a creamy white color, just like natural nail tips actually have. So just to give you like the full effect that they have on top of a clear or like neutral base like that. Then the last one is actually my favorite. This is so beautiful. It's like a royal blue glittery polish. Again, this one has more of like a colored jelly base, if you can call it like that. It won't be totally opaque if you only apply this polish to your nails, so you might want to work with like a white base, a black base, or maybe even a blue base to give it like more oomph to it. But I really do like the fact that this actually has a bluish jelly base. It's a little bit different than the previous three that I just swatched as well. And yeah, I just think they're really cute. They're really pretty. There's a lot of sparkle and shimmer in there. And if you are like me and you really like your glitter polishes, these are really nice. If you ever go to Japan and you get near a Don Quixote store, just go in. They have amazing nail art stuff there, beautiful polishes, gel polishes as well, so definitely check those out. But here you can see I just applied a second layer off camera to all of the glitter polishes, and you can definitely see what these polishes can do for you. Especially that red one got a lot more opaque with that second layer, and it's really pretty because it also has some heart-shaped glitter in there. As I mentioned earlier, I just think these polishes are really cute. They are a little bit more expensive. Like, they're not like hella expensive. They're not like the OPIs that get sold here in the Netherlands for like 14 to 15 euros, which is insane. But yeah, that's a whole other like rant video I once hoped to make. But yeah, I really like these. They're about 6 euros, a little less. And yeah, if you can ever get your hands on these, I would highly suggest you do. There are a lot of different colors. I think that especially like these Space Beauty Planet Nail items, they mostly have a ton of glitters in there. I didn't really notice any opaque like creamy colors, but hey, if you are like me and you like glitter polishes as much as I do, I would highly suggest to just get some. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know which one is your favorite, and as usual, I hope to see you in my next video.